Hey guys, Space One over here, and in this video we are gonna be I'm gonna start a new series called as Rocket Profiles, and in this video we are gonna be talking about the Electron rocket, which is manufactured by Rocket Lab, and it has diameter of 1.2 meters and a height of 17 meters altogether, and it has, you can choose how many stages you want on it. The normal one has about 2 stages, and you can also choose an optional kick stage, so that makes it 2 to 3 stages. And its payload capacity to LEO was 225 kilograms, but now it's 300 kilograms, which is 660 pounds. And the payload to SSO, which is Sun Synchronous Orbit, which is a special orbit which is used for small satellites to always face against the sun. The payload to SSO is original was 150 kgs, but now it's updated to 200 kilograms. Now the Electron has a total total 15 flights as per now, and 13 of them were a success with 2 failures. The first flight was on 25th May 2017. The first stage has a length of 12.1 meters, which is 40 feet, and a diameter of 1.2 meters. And it has about 9 Rutherford engines, but in KSP, we're gonna be using one of the Aerospike engines and 16 of the small twitch engines. So the specific impulse of the first stage is 311 seconds, and the fuel is RP1, which is rocket propellant 1, and LOX. So currently we are doing, we had stage separation, and we are warping to apoapsis, the highest point of our orbit, to start our second stage burn. Now the second stage is 2.4 meters in height and 1.2 meters in diameter. It has 1 Rutherford vacuum engine, and the specific impulse is 343 seconds. The fuel is RP1/LOX, and there's an optional kick stage which has 1 Curie engine which is powered by unspecified hypergolic propellants, and the thrust is 0.12 kilonewtons in vacuum. So in the video we have satellite separation and extension of the solar panels. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Hope you have a good day. This is Space One. Thank you.